size, super simple recipes. Number 11. Chili Uber Quick. These things, which are, it says classic chili con carne in a tin. They normally have quite a nice sauce on them. They've hardly ever got enough meat in them. They've never got enough beans in them, and they're not quite powerful enough for me. But I'm going to use that as a basis for a quick chili. I've got a small tin of Italian chopped tomatoes. I'm going to use about half a tin of these mixed beans. We've got some chili powder and some sauce to bring the heat up a little bit. And I've got some mint and an onion. So I'll prep all this and we'll get on with it. Here I've got half a pack of fresh beef mince. I just want to quickly show you what you need to do with this. You need to basically pull the strands apart before we actually cook it. I'll explain why when we come to cooking it. So you want to separate it out so that it's fairly loose and you've got no big blobs of it in there. And as I say, when we come to fry this off, I'll explain to you why I'm doing this. There we go, that's separated enough like that now. Okay, really simple now. Get your tin of stag chili. Half a tin of chopped tomatoes. This will feed 4 to 6 people. I find it goes really good if you're having a barbecue. It's just a side dish. But I add some beans, about half the tin. Just to boost the flavour for me, I'm going to add a little glove. This is that lemon and herb piri piri. I just like the flavour of it really. Also, you can just add chili powder to whatever strength you want. But I've got this chili con carne blend, which is chili powder and a few other ground spices in there, and it does add heat, but it also adds a bit of chili flavour. But like I say, if I was normally making this, I would do it from scratch. But this is super quick, super easy. Another one that we use quite a lot if unexpected guests turn up, which is almost never during lockdown, obviously. Salt, pepper, quick stir, and we want to put that on a low heat because we definitely don't want it burning to the bottom of the pan. It's already looking a bit more beany and lumpy, but there's very little meat in these things. So that goes on a reasonably low to medium heat. Meanwhile, we get our frying pan on. I'm going to use a drop of olive oil for this. Into there, onions first. And again, I don't really want to colour them. All I want to do is soften them. These are my father-in-law's out of the garden again. They're really, really nice. Now, the trick with a mince is not to stir it too soon. because if you do, fried mince will end up like sand. What you need to do is cook some, get some heat into it, and it will hold its shape much better, so that when you finally do stir it, it's got some texture and it's not just like a load of old sand in there. And mince tends to have quite a lot of fat in it, and it will cook out as we're cooking it. Come on, onions, soften up a bit. I'll take a couple of minutes. I'll come back as soon as they're softened. Our onions they've taken on a bit more colour than I really wanted, but that's alright. So you get your mince, and the trick is just to lay it on. And now you're not going to do anything to it until the pink underneath is gone. And then we're going to turn it over with a spoon, and then once it's actually got some cooked, it's actually cooked, then we'll go for stirring it. Because if I get a spoon in and start stirring it now, it'll all break up and it'll be little pieces, and that's just bloody horrible, really. You see the bits around the edges are starting to change colour already. You see how that's changing colour? So you get your spoon underneath it, you lift the whole thing up and flip it. So the pink's now on the bottom again. And once there's no pink left to be seen, then we'll give it a stir up. We'll give it a little bit of salt and pepper while we're waiting. Right, so all the pink has now disappeared. So now we can stir and break it up a little bit. Check for the seasoning. Oh, that's fantastic. Now, you could serve this with some rice. I like I like it in a soft tortilla. You can make like a burrito wrap with it, or a big bowl of that outside when you're having a barbecue, always goes down well. But as I say, there's enough there to easily feed 4 people, maybe more. So super quick chili, job done.